Having a haircut that fits you is the easiest way to quickly boost your attractiveness. A good haircut can either make or break your looks. In this video I won't be going over your regular fade or a pompadour. I'm going to be giving you 8 unique hairstyle ideas that are sure to make you stand out from the crowd. So let's get started. The flow. This is the hairstyle you get by flowing your hair all the way back. The only catch is you need to have medium to long hair to pull this off. But the best thing about it is it gives you a laid back vibe and it is low maintenance. You've probably already seen this hairstyle as it has been worn by John Wick, Jon Snow and this guy from Transformers. Next up is the buzz cut with a twist. I know what you're thinking, a buzz cut with a twist. Isn't a buzz cut like when you cut almost all your hair off? How exactly are you going to put a twist on it? Well, the twist is you're going to dye your hair in an opposite color. And I'm not talking about going for crazy pink or anything. But if you have black or brown hair, you can go for a blonde color. Let's take a look at Kylian Mbappe with his hair dyed blonde. It looks great. Especially if you're in shape and have a slightly darker skin, this hairstyle is perfect. On to the next, high and tight. Just like with the blonde buzz cut, you can choose to dye your hair in any color you like. But it's definitely not needed. A high and tight hairstyle looks clean and is going to save you a lot of time in the morning. This hairstyle is based on military practices and is also known to have been worn by many celebrities. You also won't find someone with this haircut every day. Messy hairstyles. Even though messy hairstyles are getting more and more popular, it is still a great hairstyle that you can experiment with. Even if you have completely straight hair, just go for it. Get a perm and see if you like it. If you have had straight hair all your life and you get a perm, it is definitely going to give off that wow effect the first time everybody sees you. There are 4 messy hairstyles I really recommend. The first is the windblown messy hair. This one is quite similar to the flow hairstyle. Then we have the messy spiky hair, the messy blowout, and lastly, the messy fringe. If you have TikTok installed on your phone, you've already seen this hairstyle come by plenty of times. Trust me. And the last one, the modern mullet. Even though this hairstyle is definitely not for everybody, if you like the vibe of the 70s and the 80s, and you can pull off an alternative look, or maybe you're going for a skater aesthetic, then this is the hairstyle for you. And that's all for today, gentlemen. Do you like your hair to be longer or shorter? Let me know in the comments, and also let me know if I missed out on any of your favorite hairstyles.